Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now, if you want to learn about dealing with anxiety and cleaning anxiety, which is something I suffer from, hit the subscribe button and follow and like this video because you will learn all about that. So, I'm on a journey trying to combat my anxiety in general. It's a long journey, but something I do suffer from is like this mental block. When there's so much to do, I sometimes just can't focus, and it's just like I'm in a tunnel. So I'm working on that to be a better person. So I realised I was in that stage this morning, so I just had a cup of tea, had some breakfast, then we went to the gym. So that was my sort of way of stepping away from it. Then we came back, did some bits and pieces. Here we are, me and Gavin cleaning the kitchen. I was doing some cupboard sorting out because, you know, we need a pre-holiday clean, as you do, just to make life easier. But I wanted to make sure we leave the place in a nice, tidy manner to come back to. It was quite therapeutic doing it this way. I did have to take a break shortly after this because it just got too much because the kids were fighting, etc. So we sorted that out. That's just our daily life with our children. And here we go. We work together to get this done. Oh, little Maggie's jumping up and down. Kids are getting lunches, as you have to do your normal stuff. But yeah, this is a real thing. And I realised it's something that doesn't make me very happy. I like to have a clean house. So it's just learning to change how productive I am in a different way. And learning to notice when I'm in that tunnel and pulling myself out. So if you look, here I go as well. Quite a productive day. I sorted out Emily, our 7-year-old daughter's bedroom. Well, not her bedroom, sorry, her clothes. Because we're going on holiday, I decided this was an ideal time to pull out all the clothes that no longer fit her. So yes, this did take some sorting. I also did my 10-year-old son's. However, his was quite good because I'd only done that recently, so I didn't really film that. So tomorrow, keep watching because I'm going to keep combating this, my anxiety and my steps. So this is today's video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe because this may help you on your journey. Oh, and I did this little bit.